Howdy y'all. Here we got the 2013 Devinci Troy. We're rocking a KS Lev dropper in the rear with a WTB Volt. Up front we've got a blown out RockShox Pike, 150 millimeter to travel. In the rear, Cane Creek double barrel. She's pretty sexy. Let's see, what else we got here? We're running XT brakes, and up front, Maxxis High Roller 2, and in the rear, a 2.4 Ardent. Well, for tire pressure, run pretty soft in the front and rear, probably about 25, 23 PSI. Not really sure half the time. And usually run about 30% sag in the front and rear on the shock and fork. Yes, my bike has a name, and her name is the Mystic Seeker. Favorite trails? Well, here in Athens, Georgia, I love to ride at Trail Creek Park and all the underground trails looping through Athens. Favorite trail all time has to be Black Mountain in Pisgah National Forest. Do I road bike? Think if I had a mixtape, it'd have to be Hook to Flat. I would have to say 7.5, pretty average. Best thing I do on the bike, case jumps. So sick.
Now the little exercise I just did is called basically the straight eighth feel.